nausea. Seriously? Why do you get like this? It's not all about you. Okay, well maybe it is. Oh, you're so cute. Hey guys. Currently the entire country is going into quarantine. It's affecting the whole world, this coronavirus. So things are pretty weird, to say the least. If you're being quarantined, you just have a lot more time to focus on yourself and on your goals. So you can't use the excuse, I'm so busy, I don't have the time. You can make all your own foods. You can do home workouts. I work in commercial lending for a bank, so I am not in quarantine. I am still working business as usual. We are busier than ever, but I will still be, my gym is closed obviously, so I will still be doing at-home workouts every day after work. So I'll try to provide you with at least one a week. And either, you could do one of two things. You can sit at home binge watching Netflix and snacking on chips and feeling bad about yourself, or you can use this time to read books, meal prep healthy meals, and focus on working out. Go for a run. It's a beautiful day today. Go for a walk. And yeah, that's it guys. So stay focused, and like I said, there's no reason to let this pandemic affect you personally in achieving your goals. We can still do this. I believe in us. Don't give up. Alright guys, stay healthy, stay safe. Social distancing. It's no joke. Sit. Sit. Take care. I'll do 20 regular squat pulls, 40 jump squat floor touch. Are you recording? I'm not ready. Okay, fine. Donkey kicks, hip thrusts. Let's get it.
Fiji water all on your body, yeah, yeah. Feed me with your love and don't stop it, girl. I don't think you see this how I see, I'm sorry. I don't want you thinking that I'm really unbothered. Sleep on me, there gon' be a problem. If you try to leave, I'm not even gonna stop you. Tricks all on my sleeve and then she could get off 'em. Don't you try to grease me, though, don't you leave me underhanded. You still with me now cause you was with me at my low. Came up from the ground together, how we supposed to go? So much ups and downs, I think I got used to the flow. Shake that thing around and then you drop it to the floor. Oh yeah, pretty little mama by the doorway. Oh, you want some more, you want some foreplay. Treat you like McDonald's, have it your way. Get you some expensive at the store, babe. This was long expected like I tore a day. I cannot neglect you, that's for sure, ayy. Scoop you in a bench and do you better than your old man. Closing, open doors, open, you come forth. Don't bring no strangers, just don't come in cause you're bored. We could take a week off at Bora Bora, or we could hit up Egypt to see what they got in store. We can run it freaky, finna do you like some chores. We might need a squeegee, how you wetting up the Fiji water all on your body, yeah, yeah. Feed me with your love and don't stop it, girl. I don't think you see this how I see, I'm sorry. I don't want you thinking that I'm really unbothered. Trust me, be on my spark like a gunfire. You'll fall in love if I fuck for the one time. Kissing and hug, I bubble the tub. I missing a rub and a touch, and I won't lie. Damn, how you fucking with my head. That shit been affecting, now I'm sleeping in my bed. Made me regret some of the decisions that I made. I cannot forget, remove the vision from my lens. Love me here, love me then, love me now. Fuck you here, fuck you there, same sound. Keep it real with you, give you those frowns. And I'm still with you, never skip town. Know you like I'm grown, with that money long. This is not for sure, I'm just making sure you know. I can make a show, yeah, put it on go. Baby, let me know if this your favorite song. Fiji water all on your body, yeah, yeah. Feed me with your love and don't stop it, girl. I don't think you see this how I see, I'm sorry. I don't want you thinking that I'm really unbothered. Fiji water all on your body, yeah, yeah. Feed me with your love and don't stop it, girl. I don't think
I'm going to the grocery store. I am gonna take the proper precaution. I have my goddaughters, I have my parents over 60, my grandparents are over 80, so I'm not taking any risks. But I do need to go food shopping. So, this is how we're going to the grocery store, guys. Hi guys, so I just got back from the grocery store and I just wanted to go over some of the things that I purchased. Yogurt, 000. It's important when you're buying yogurt to always look at the grams of sugar, because the majority of yogurts have so much sugar in them that they're no good for you. But these have 15 grams of protein and only 5 grams of sugar in 1 cup. 0 grams of fat and 10 carbs. So good. This kind, which is what I use for my smoothies, for my rice cake snack. A very healthy breakfast for fat loss. Grapefruit. So I got 2 of those. Bunch of fruit. Make smoothies. My favorite fruit in the world is lemons, cucumber, green beans, avocado, hummus. That's it. For this day, breakfast, I had multigrain toast with avocado and 2 fresh over easy eggs. I also made a smoothie with just ice, yogurt, fruit, orange juice, a very small amount of orange juice, and a half a scoop of protein. So good, and it kept me full for like 5 hours, which is a long time for me. This dinner recipe is delicious. I marinated the chicken for a day in honey, chili powder, and cumin. I just did a little bit of cumin. I would say a tablespoon of chili powder, and I just squirt the honey by eye. I cooked it on a pan because whenever I bake chicken, it comes out dry and I can't stand it. So this is what we're doing today. But if you want to bake it, go right ahead and do it that way. Jewel, say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Now for the green beans and tomatoes, I baked them together. I bought these green beans in a bag that was trimmed and washed already, so I showed you how to trim the edges, but I didn't have to. So I just cut them in half, throw them on a pan, cover them in a little bit of olive oil, and I used this garlic and herb seasoning I have, and I just kind of mixed it up by hand. You are actually supposed to cook the green beans first for 8 minutes before you add the tomatoes. I messed up on that part, but this is so delicious it doesn't even matter. So yeah, put the green beans in the oven at 425 for 8 minutes, flip them after 4 minutes, then pull it out, add the tomatoes, and cook it for an additional 2 or 3 minutes, and then it is good to eat. And I just sprinkled a little Parmesan cheese on top after they came out of the oven, and serve it with the chicken. It's so good, and it's good for you, so enjoy, guys.
And now I'm taking this shot like it's moving, hey. Yeah. Ooh, I fought hard. Time to my core. Ooh, I fought hard. Time to my